Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see some more videos on matrices. Earlier I have posted 2 videos on this topic. This is the third video. This is MCQ part 3. Thanks to all the new subscribers. You can go to the playlist ICSE 10 MCQ of my channel and get all the MCQ video there. Also I have shared the link of PDF of all the MCQ videos in the description box, and all the topic explanation and its exercise solution you can find in the playlist ICSE 10 of my channel Get the Math. Also NCERT 8th and 9th maths whole course topic videos are uploaded, so you can suggest and share with your friends and relatives, which may be helpful to them too. Okay, now about this video. As by now you must have practiced a lot, and as this chapter is quite easy, so I have not solved the questions here. This is for your workout. Here I have given logical based questions and also problem solving questions of 1, 2 and 3 marks, but I have shared the answers of the questions at the end of the video. So solve it and check your answers with the given answers, and if you have any query, drop it in the comment box. So without any further ado, let's get started with the MCQ on matrices. Question 1 here is A cross B transpose will be equal to dash. So this is A into B, multiplication of 2 matrices and its transpose. So if you open the bracket, so what will be the answer? So choose the correct option here. Either it is B transpose into A transpose, second option is A transpose into B transpose, third option is B cross A, and fourth option is A cross B. Question 2 is by distributive property of multiplication of matrices over addition. So this is the distributive property. A, this is A matrix multiplied by B plus C will be equal to dash. So you know the distributive property, you have studied earlier. So what is the correct option? You can choose it. Question 3 here is if A multiplied by I, AI will be equal to dash. A is any matrix, its multiplication with the identity matrix will give you dash. So either it is 1 or A inverse or A or none of the above. Question 4 here is if A is a matrix that is equal to 3, minus 4, 1 and 2, B is a matrix that is equal to 0, 5, then we can find dash. Either we can find its product AB or the product BA, or addition we can do of A plus B, or none of these. So you know, for the product, number of columns of the first matrix, that is A, should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, that is B. So check it out. And for addition, you know that addition or subtraction, the order of the matrix should be equal. So by remembering these properties, you can choose the correct answer. Question 5 here is generally in matrix A cross B dash B cross A, whether it is equal to or less than or greater than or not equal to. So if you do A cross B, that will be equal to or less than or greater than or not equal to B cross A, that you have to choose. Question 6 is if this is the matrix A, B, C, D is equal to half of matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, then you have to find the values of A, B, and C and D that are, so here are the given values. So find the values of A, B, C and D using these matrix. Question 7 is if x 2 by 3 plus y into minus 1 0 equal to 10 6, then the values of x and y are dash. So by solving this, you have to find the values of x and y. Either it is x equal to 2 or y equal to 6, x equal to 2 or y equal to minus 6. The third option is x equal to 3 or y equal to minus 4, and the fourth option is x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 6. Question 8 here is if b equal to minus 1 5 0 3 and a minus 2b equal to 0 4 minus 7 5, then you have to find the value of a here. Here b has been given to you, you have to find the value of a. Okay, and the solution of the equation has been given as 0 4 minus 7 5. So what will be a here? So all these are the options. So solve it and find the correct option. Question 9 is, if a equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, then a square equal to pa, then find the value of pa here. Okay, so you have to find the value of p here, actually not pa. So find the value of p. So here a has been given to you, so find a square first, then you have to find pa. Whatever it is a, multiply p inside the bracket, that will be pa, then equate these two matrices. Okay, so you can find the value of p from the resultant matrices. So either it is 2, 4, minus 2 or minus 4. Question 10 here is, if the first matrix is x 1 0 1 0, then the multiplied with the second matrix is 4 3 minus 3 2, will give you y 11 4 z. You have to find the values of x, y and z. So multiply these two and then equate it with this matrix. You have to find the values of x, y, z. So either it is, first option is x equal to 3, y equal to 9 and z equal to 3. Second option is x equal to minus 3, y equal to 9 and z equal to 3. Third option is x equal to 3, y equal to minus 9 and z equal to 3. Fourth option is x equal to 3, y equal to 9 and z equal to minus 3. Okay, so these are the 10 more questions. Now, and answers of these questions I have given here. So solve the above questions and check the answers, these given answers with your answers. Okay, so this was all about MCQ video part 3. So if you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.